والله العظيم يا اخواني الشعب السوداني والله العظيم لو بيدي انا حرام لا اخليكم ذكريات والله ولا هيروشيما بنفضكم.
This is an Emirati influencer who is saying that if it's in his hands, he would have done to the Sudani people what have been done in Hiroshima. And by the way, he's making fun of this. Yeah. Making fun of literally people being slaughtered by the RSF, who is literally not denying their crimes, but also recording them and posting them as they're proud of slaughtering civilians, children, women, men, elderlies, as they force fathers to watch their daughters being raped by the RSF as they take turns on their wives and their daughters. This Emirati behavior, does it remind you of someone else? Yes, Israelis. But at least for us Palestinians, it's our enemy. Israelis, they're our enemy. They're not from our own flesh and blood. They're not from our own religion. They're not even anything close to us. But this is a sick behavior, even worse than Israeli Zionist. Yes, you are a sick person. Because simply, Al-Fashir right now is under the RSF control, who's committing one of the worst crimes because we cannot see what's happening there because they are literally killing any journalist who's trying to record and send proofs of what their crimes, because simply they're posting themselves. We need, and they're Sudanese, Christians, Muslims, they need your voice. We need to raise their voice because Al-Fashir simply have exposed and showed what's happening in Sudan. And let's not that go in vain and keep speaking up. The more you speak up, the more these crimes, the more the world open their eyes. But I don't know. We're living in a jungle, literally.